So this tree right here is getting removed. This is part of the job. Look at that. It fell during the storm, and now we're gonna get her out of here. This will not be a problem. We're gonna chop it up in pieces. We're gonna grab our skid steer, pick it up, grab it, take it to our dumpsters. And that'll be all staged right here. Chop what we can with the Sawzall, and the rest we'll do with the chainsaw. No problem. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's get her done. But this is what's remaining. All we have left is a stump. We cut all the branches to make it easier for the skid steer to be able to crush everything down and put everything to the dumpster. We gotta be very careful right here, as there's a septic tank right here where I'm pointing. But this is all that's remaining.